Mommy, me and Lucas are very, very bored. The snowstorm is super hard and I'm getting super bored. Look, sweetie, we all know that the snowstorm is very hard to handle. It is very hard to handle, but we need to try at least. We didn't try. This is our first snowstorms together. Yeah, but it's so boring. Right, Lucas? Yeah, right, Mommy. This is super boring. All of our devices are not charged and the TV doesn't work because there is no there is no electricity, so this is not fair. Me and your dad are both also very, very bored. But this used to happen a lot when me and your dad were kids, and we used to in our days we used to, every time there was a snowstorm, we used to always sit together, play a hand game with our hands, and then we talk. We do stuff like that. We don't keep thinking of our devices. Can me and Lucas just try to play outside? Okay, fine. You guys could just try. If you get a little bit cold, you're gonna come back in. We don't want a cold to come in because it's very tiring for me. Not for you, but for me. Okay, Mommy. Okay, let's go, you guys. I'm coming with you, but I'm not gonna go out there. I'm just gonna stay there and look at you. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow, you guys. Are you sure you want to go out there? Yes, we're sure. Just come on. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna stand right here and look at you. Okay. Okay, just say you're not cold. I am cold though. Just say you're not. I can't do that. You guys look cold. No, we're not, Mommy. Yes, we are. Wait, Lucas, you're cold? No. Okay. I'm gonna sit here. No, please, me. Both of us. No, there is no space. Mommy, I'm coming and this is too cold. Lucas! Oh, sweetie, oh my gosh, are you cold? Yes, Mommy. Me too. Okay, you guys, okay, let's go inside. Let's go upstairs in the kitchen and let me make you some hot chocolate. Okay. You guys feel a little bit warmer? Yes, we do. Okay, you guys sit here. I'm gonna bring you guys some hot chocolate, okay? In my coffee machine, there's a hot chocolate mode. Okay. Here you go, Emily. Thank you. And here you go, Lucas. Thank you. You're welcome, you guys. Are you guys hungry? A little bit. Okay, let me see what we have in the fridge that is not expired. Okay. We have an apple. Does anybody want an apple? Me! Lucas, there's another apple. Do you want one? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Guys, if you're hungry, tell me and I'm gonna try to go in the car and drive to the supermarket to get you guys some food. Oh my gosh, you're gonna do that for us, Mommy? Thank you. You're welcome, sweetie. Just tell me if you're still hungry. Okay. I'm hungry. Are you? Yes, I am. Should we ask Mommy? Yes, it's for our own hunger. Mommy, me and Lucas are very hungry still. We're so sorry. Oh no, that's okay, sweetie. What are you sorry for? Let me go get dressed up and we're gonna go to the supermarket. Yay! Yay! Okay, you guys, I'm ready. Wait, you didn't get dressed up? Oh, we thought we were gonna go with our pajamas. No, you guys, go get dressed up, you guys. Quick, because I think the supermarket is gonna close because of the snowstorm. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, we're done, Mommy. Oh, good job, you guys. You guys dressed up with jackets and hoodies. Good job. Yeah, we know we're gonna be cold, so we dressed up good. Yup. Okay, you guys, let's go. We're gonna go tell your dad that we're going to the supermarket, right? Yeah. Jack? Mommy! Jack? Yes? Whoa, why are you guys dressed up? We're going to the supermarket because the kids are super hungry and there is no food in the refrigerator. Everything is expired. I need to go grocery shopping. Oh, well, I'm gonna stay here. Stay safe, you guys. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay. Do you guys have everything? Yep. Mommy, this is freezing. I told you guys. Now just stay. Good thing you wore your hoodies. Yeah, good thing. Okay, guys, we're gonna be closing in 15 minutes because of the snowstorm. Everybody get ready. Okay, kids, we're here at Target. Okay, Mommy, hurry up because I heard the security girl say for 15 minutes and they're closing because of the snowstorm. Okay, what do you guys want? Can we have potato chips? Okay, just this once. Okay. What else? Apples. Okay, red apples. Green apples. Okay, anything else? We don't know. We have chocolate milk at home, we have strawberry milk at home, and we have regular milk at home. We don't know. Can we go to the kids section? Okay, guys, but we're not coming here for toys. We're coming here for food. Mommy, look at these pets, Mommy. We're not buying another pet. Aww. Ooh, cool pots. Mommy, focus. Okay. Ooh, a lot of toys. Can we please buy just one toy each? Oh, fine, guys. Yay, I'll have that doll. Okay. Can we buy this? Sure, it'll be $8.99. Okay, here you go. And can we also have, what do you want, sweetie? That robot. This? This? Yeah, that. Okay. That would be $8.99. Okay, here you go. Okay, perfect. Bye. Bye. Have a good day. You too. Okay. Now we're not buying any more toys this season. Okay? No! You guys have a lot of toys. Okay. Hold your toys now. We need to pay. Okay, we're gonna have the potato chips. 2 potato chips, please. Okay, let me put that in a bag. Sorry, it's really hard to do. Just okay, and what else? 2 green apples. 2 green apples. And 2 red apples. 2 red apples. Okay. Perfect, ma'am. Anything else? I don't think so, no. Okay, that would be $15. Okay. Catch or Visa? Visa. Okay. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye. Be careful for the snowstorm. You too.